Adi Rainu.
Sing it, Boo.
Let's sing it one more time. And this time excited. Adi Rainu. Are you going to say hi, Safta? Safta's not on there. You're going to, I'm putting you on the camera, and then you can sing to Safta.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi, Safta.
Hi, Safta. Safta.
Do you want to give her a kiss?
Yes, Safta on the phone.
No, Safta. See, those are your toys.
Yes, Safta.
Safta's not on the phone. We're going to record this and send it to Safta. So do you want to say anything to her?
Maybe we can talk to Safta tomorrow.
No, I want to see Safta.
Boo Boo, do you want to say hi to Safta? You want to blow her some kisses?
Yeah.
Okay. Blow her a kiss.
Daddy.
Oh.
Say hi to Saba, too.
Yes, say hi. No, stop falling. Say hi to Saba.
Hi, Saba.
And Safta.
I'm Safta.
And who's in Israel with them? Say it loud. Say hi, Adi.
Hi, Didi.
And who else?
Hi, Didi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Imaya. No. Daddy.
And don't you? You just
Safta.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So you want
you.
Baby.
blow kisses?